Good afternoon, YouTube. Well, it's roughly at about 98% finished now. I'm glad to say it's been an enjoyable project. Just completion. M4 screws, stainless steel. Cut those to length. Brand new panel machine screws. M3s in black, domed, factory originals, not self-tappers. Same down the side, sticker on. Look at that gloss. Look how good that radio looks. I did a touch up on the diodes on the channel selector. One intermittently goes in and out, but we've got the three back. As you can see, we're just missing one segment there, and that will flash in and out. Not too fussed about that, but very nice completion. Just a couple of little cosmetic things to do, but I'm not going to do a video about those. Paint's around about, at my standards, probably at around about 99%. It's certainly on par with exactly how the factory did it. You can see by the reflection, and that's a satin finish. So I did sand the cover on the third coat, and then the final coat rested on top, and there was no pitting or anything, so it's as smooth as a baby's backside. There you go. I'm very proud of this one, because it has come to life, back to life, in a really nice way. So yeah, there you go, guys. That's what restoration is all about. Taking the absolutely written off, horrible looking things and turning them into a thing of beauty like this. I would say that this is probably every bit of $400 now. Maybe more, depending on what somebody wants to offer for it. I didn't show it, but internally, cable tied up all the cables, made them all snug, did a tiny bit of cleaning internally, but it's a stunning radio now. Pity there's nobody on. Yeah, it's just that one segment out. That's a lot better than 3 in total. Alright guys, comment, like and subscribe. I'd be interested to see what you think it's worth now in the Australian market. It's hard for overseas members to quote on that, but it's not only a beautiful radio, it is quite rare now, these as well. But unfortunately, because I've restored it, it's a resto, and it's not factory original. But you can all go back to the original images and